Assalamualaikum and good evening everyone. Firstly, I want to extend a warm welcome and thank you to all for being here today. My name is Nur Shashadina binti Ismail, 14 DKM 24F 1053, and I'm excited to present to you about on welding. Before we dive into the presentation, I would like to take this opportunity to express my sincere gratitude to Mr. Rahman B. Ibrahim for their invaluable question and for providing me the space to clarify and address these important issues. Your support and guidance have been instrumental in the preparation of this presentation. So, today we will explore the problem where the hull of ship has cracked around 2 meters and requires welding process to prevent any leakage. This group of technicians has to solve the problem in less than 14 days, write down the type of weld required and the work step that must be in place to repair the crack. The thickness of the mill steel of the hull is 12 millimeters. Let's get started with the first question. State the characteristic of each type of weld selected. My answer is sheet metal arc welding (SMAW) or gas tungsten arc welding (TIG). This is because TIG welding provides cleaner and more precise results. It is also important for ship structure that require high durability and safety properties. Second question. The welding work step. Firstly, preparation before starting welding work. You need to ensure all equipment is ready, including the TIG machine, tungsten electrodes, and shielding gas argon. You also must wear safety equipment such as a welding helmet, glove, and little aprons. Next, cleaning the material. Before starting welding work, you need to clean up the area to be welded from oil, dirt, and outside using the stainless steel brush. Then, electrode selection. Choose the appropriate tungsten electrode for the type of metal to be welded. Uncoated tungsten is suitable for aluminum, while coated tungsten is more suitable for stainless steel. Moreover, don't forget about welding machine preparation. Set the TIG machine current according to the type of metal and the thickness of the material. Adjust the flow of the shielding gas argon accordingly. Meanwhile, sharpening the electrode. To ensure the tungsten electrode tip is sharpened to a pointed shape. After that, electrode installation. Insert the electrode into the electrode holder and set the appropriate gap distance between the electrode and the work surface. Finally, you can start welding. You need to know how to hold the electrode holder at the correct angle, usually around 10 to 30 degrees from the work surface. Then turn on the TIG machine and start welding by striking the electrode up. You also adding filler meter. If necessary, add filler metal with the non-dominant hand. Ensure the filler metal is fed into the molten weld pool with a smooth and balanced motion. Don't forget to control the gas flow. For ensure a continuous flow of shielding gas to protect the weld pool from air contamination. Next, stopping the welding. When finished, turn off the TIG machine and let the weld area cool naturally. Do not abruptly stop the flow of shielding gas. At last, welding inspection. You need to check the welding area to ensure there are no cracks or defects. Clean the outside residue using a cheaper hammer and brush with a wire brush. We continue back with the third question. Estimate time and cost welding to be carried out. First, let's discuss the time estimate. Based on our assessment, the welding process is expected to take approximately 6 to 9 hours. This includes preparation, welding, and final inspection to ensure quality and safety standards are met. Moving on the sorry, moving on to the cost, the estimate welding cost range from 80 ringgit Malaysia to 250 ringgit Malaysia per square foot. This variation is due to factors such as the complexity of the weld and the specific technique employed. Additionally, we need to consider the material cost. Essential materials, including tungsten electrode, filamenters, and shielding gas argon, can incur additional costs ranging from 500 ringgit Malaysia to 2,000 ringgit Malaysia, depending on the scale of the project. In conclusion, understanding these estimates help us plan effectively and ensure we allocate the necessary resources for successful project completion. Finally, state the result based on the type of weld selected. The results of the IG welding are usually of high quality with several key characteristics. Also, the IG welds are usually knitted with minimal spatter or residue. For your information, the IG welding produces very strong and durable joints, and it is also suitable for applications that require high strength. It is because of better control. The IG welding is very suitable for fine and high precision work. This welding also provides good consistency in joint and ensure that there are no defects that could weaken the structure. In the end, thank you so much, and I appreciate your attention and engagement throughout this presentation. It has been a pleasure to share this insight with you. I hope the information provided has been valuable and enlightening. Thank you once again for your time. Have a great day and Assalamualaikum.